One of the biggest things that's brought up to us at Foam Armory is that we have these strips and they're this long. Splicing pieces like this so that you have an infinite length, I've shown you in a previous video, but some people don't like the methodology in it and they want to have a super long strip. Well, you can have a super long strip. Thanks to one of our community members, John Hughes, has made a splicing jig, and let me show you how it works. One thing that I really enjoy about the chainmail that's been created is that the community around it is actually pretty tight and they're really cool and innovative. So I was approached by John Hughes here recently and he said, I've got a splicing jig and I'm wondering if you'd be interested in looking at it for me. And like, seriously, wow. This is what he's come up with and it looks pretty simple. You got like a little removable piece here just so you don't end up gluing your foam to the actual 3D print. He offers this on his Etsy store and you can purchase the actual physical item or the 3D print files if you'd like. Pretty simple here to work with this thing. You need to get the splicer, you need to get some glue, and an X-Acto knife or some utility knife. First thing you do is you lay the foam chunk down inside right where you want to splice it. Then lay another piece that you want to splice to it over top of that. And you'll notice that everything lines up really, really nicely. So what you do from this point is you get your knife and you slice through both pieces. When you do that, you're gonna have a couple of pieces of scrap, but now you have a joint that perfectly matches right at the cut line. All you have to do at this point is add a little dab of CA glue or whichever glue you'd want to use. I highly recommend you use CA glue, especially the kind that I use. There'll be a link down below, but Starbond is a flexible CA glue and it's super durable, super strong. It costs more. From my point of view, worth every penny. So highly recommend you get this stuff. You know, really the best things in life are super simple and it doesn't get much more simple than this. So now you can make a super, super long piece of chainmail for your shirts or something like that and not use the splicing technique that I've done in a previous video. Again, the link for that will be down below. You can back one piece up against another underneath and sort of have like this little knobbin left over when you do weave everything together. This makes for a super clean setup and, well, you know, hey, it's pretty cool. So what I want you to do is go to Etsy, go to Modifier Designs, link down below, and check out the stuff that he has. Couldn't recommend more the splicer that he has going on, and also you can purchase one for yourself and have him send you one. Thank you again, John, for doing this. Foam Armory is about to launch a new product, and it's the #1 product that has been requested. We're going to be doing scale mail. We will be launching a Kickstarter. The Kickstarter is mainly so that we can buy the raw materials. We have everything spooled up and ready to go, and we can start manufacturing it. But we'd like to generate some stock and make sure that everybody's happy. We will be showing where the launch link will be on this channel. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you get that. Or go to foamarmory.com and sign up to our email list and we'll make sure that you're the first to get in on it. And we also have some special bonus prizes to go with some of the prime purchasers of the scale mail. And stay tuned because we're going to be linking with some of the coolest YouTube cosplay builders on the planet to make this happen. Thanks, guys. Talk to you later.